Hey guys, hey, I'm sorry for the background noises, but I'm gonna close the door.
Apparently I do have an account. It says my balance is $170.
Okay, so I'm gonna do my squishy collection, and here's where I store all my squishies, and it's just actually really full. And I have two squishies in the mail. One communicator tell me that was $5. I got these from Banggood, and guys, you need to go right now after this video or right now in this video. I will link Banggood's site, maybe probably if I can find out, in the description, because it is Bay. You don't understand. I'll try to link it in the description. If I don't, I'll just put Banggood.com. And yeah, but you all need to go search up Banggood and go, because they have Cutie Creative squishies for the lowest price you could ever. But my one's the tummy was $5, and the Cutie Creative 2 was $4, guys. These are the authentic ones, real packaging, everything. But yeah, they're just amazing. They do take a long time to ship, and that's not their fault. It's just how far they live away. But yeah, I will still order from them because it's worth it. Yeah. But basically, I'm gonna do all my homemade squishies. First, I just crackling one. I used to have way more homemade squishies, but I think I sold them. No, I didn't sell them. What the heck? No, I might have gave them to people or threw them away. But yeah, it sticks on really nice. Next, I've just decoed one. I'm not that good at decorating squishies. I'm actually very artistic. It's just that I'm not that good decorating squishies. Now the rest of the cake slices are this green one, this black and pink one, this pink one, and this blended one. Next, I have 3 paper squishies. One is this one, and then this is my least favorite one because it's trash. Yeah, and I have this rainbow. Lastly, I have this squishy. It's my favorite. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do all my squishies. I really don't feel like squishies, but you can say they are. First, I have this dice and it's made of foam. It's really hard. Next, I have this stress ball. And then I have this macaron. See. Next, I have this little basket, and only has one squishy in it, and just a hamburger. I love this. I actually like it, even though it's a common squishy. Next, I have this deco squishy, and it's just this squishy. That is so slow rising. When you add tape on squishies, it makes it slow rising. And I don't have any tape on my squishies except this one because it's look at this. So here is with tape, and here is here's this one with tape. That's tape, and it's still rising. And here's without tape. I think it's not as slow rising, but yeah, I have a squishy. Next, I have some of my Sanrio squishies. These are not all my Sanrio squishies. First, I have a Cinnamoroll squishy. This Hello Kitty donut. Hello Kitty pizza. And the Hello Kitty waffle. Sorry, someone's FaceTiming me and it's really hurry up. Okay, so next we have this popsicle squishy, and you probably know this is a pen. You can see it works. See? And it's actually pretty squishy. And I won this at the arcade. It's like a bowling alley, but Country Club Lanes, and I just won it there because I got 630 and 78 tickets. So yeah. Next, I have my Swishy Mushies in Fly Toys Box Shop Unicorn. This Soft and Slow squishy. This is super airy. This is my most squishy Soft and Slow squishy. And so I have this French fry. And here is like, this is the best thing to this. If you hear background noises, I'm so sorry. There's no background noises right now, but at the beginning of the video, there's a lot of background noises. And I have Chelsea Churro, and I have Liz Squishy. I'm in the wrong ball. Excuse me. Okay, now we're going to the second one. And yeah. So first I have this yellow air cake. This is like my most large squishy because it's like super soft and slow rising. Next I have this Soft and Slow head emoji face. And I have this fake Punimaru animal donut. And next I have this honeydew. I think it's honey. I don't even know what this is, but I think it's like some sort of cake or honeydew. I don't know. Next I have this Punimaru Galaxy Poop. Next I have this Soft and Slow tart. And I don't have so many Soft and Slow squishies, but like 1, 2, 3. I bet like 5 or 4 Soft and Slow squishies. Next, I have this Eye Bloom strawberry, non-reproduced, so it's like dense. Scented like strawberries. Next, I have this Soft and Slow squishy, and I've had this for a year or something, so it's super defected. Next, I have this hamburger, and I did not defect this. My best friend did. It was her squishy, and then we traded. I forget what we traded for. Next, I have a Sanqui Elan. If you can see it, it says Sanqui Elan. I don't know if you can see it. You have to have like CDC like licensing. Oh, it's just fries, and I love it. Next, we have this milk. And next we have this fake Rilakkuma bread. And it's by Jaru. It's like an airboat. Next I have this Squishy Yum Dragon Fruit. I just think this is rare. Oh, sorry. You're so stupid. It's not even licensed. I don't know why I thought it was rare. I think I heard someone on YouTube say it was rare, and I realized it was not rare because I got it at the mall. Not to me. Then I have this super defected peach. It's not the real one, but I am definitely getting the real one in a week. Probably I'm going to San Francisco in a week, and so next we're going to do my top row. These are all my packaged squishies that are all my packaging. First I have this Yummy Bear. And it is opened. And this packaging is super thin, so it broke. And here's the squishy. It's airy. And it still has its scent of beautiful, beautiful honey. I love honey. Next, I have this milk carton. That's from Banggood. Next, I have this squishy. And I'm not going to take them out of packaging just because it would take too long. Next, I have this squishy. See it. So I'm zooming out right now, so I don't know if you can see it or not. I'm kidding. I'm zooming in my way. Sorry guys, I'm super weird. Next I have this Melody squishy. This I will take this one out of packaging. And this basically just says Bonnie. What? Can I do a sec? Thanks. And here she is. Might be a boy, I don't know. Here is the thing. It's licensed by Sanrio and Cowthon. It's really, really soft. What? I am. I'm just finishing something. I'm almost done. God. There's Taco. And lastly, I have this one more. So yeah, guys, my squishy